Hello everyone and welcome back to Sniffle Souls. My name is still James. Your name is still whatever the hell you're called. This is still Reverend, and in case you hear me squeal like a fangirl or just someone in terror, there is a spider somewhere in my room. It's not the largest of all spiders I've ever seen. However, I do suffer from arachnophobia. I saw it this morning, and so I left my room in a hurry and got to school 29 minutes early. And that's after having relaxed downstairs for a little while. That's how early I left my room. And so I would kill it, but I wasn't in the mood for murder this morning. And it appears to have disappeared whilst I've been at school. So I'm a bit on edge right now. I got myself a milkshake to try and calm me down. But yeah, I'm getting chills down my spine because I don't know where it is. In better news, however, we're going to kill Magnus. Or Manus even. And also the Leavers hoodies from school have arrived. Oh no, you don't. Whee! Oh, fuck. My roll was not quite soon enough. Power. Heal. Oh fuck, roll! No, I didn't make it. Run away. Roll. Grab that. Roll. Roll. Lots of rolling. All of the rolling. Okay, now heal. Okay. Roll. Fudging hell. Heal. Roll. Fudge. Oh, man. I was rolling when you did that, Manus. I think you're cheating. I mean, I don't like to accuse people of cheating without solid evidence. But, yeah, I can't help but feel like you're cheating. Oh no! Would you please cease and desist with your bullshit? What even is this? Oh my god! What's the other one? Emit force. Yeah, that's gonna be useful. You just kicked me. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck? I'm assuming you got to side roll him. It's a bit late me learning that now, but whoa. Oh god. No, it's the humanity thing! Fuck! Is that thing even dodgeable? Ow. I'm assuming you got to back roll that attack. Side rolling didn't even work there. What even is this? You know, Manus, I'm not best pleased with you. I'm really not. Because you're bullshitting, that's what you're doing. Ow. Cease and desist. Jesus. Got a text message to reply. No, I don't. It's a Twitter notification. Vegans. I've got nothing against veganism, but it's not something I'd do myself. Though I am trying out vegetarianism later this year. Just anyone who cares. Right. I feel as though Emit Force just doesn't do anything. But what? Like, Lightning Spear didn't do anything. I guess Fire Surge, maybe? Fuck if I know. If we don't kill him this time, I'm gonna have a Google and see what works well against Manus, Father of the Abyss. Yeah. So, voice acting. That reminded me when I did the, little change of voice when speaking of Manus, Father of the Abyss. Oh no, my microphone's slightly to the wrong angle. Twist! I hope that wasn't a loud ting coming up on the video. Oh, there's another thing. My friend, sorry for that instead of this. As I said last time, I've been playing some Brink, and in Brink, you hold the left button to run, sprint, whatever it. And so that's what block is in this game. So, yeah. Ooh. Sorry, just like hiccuped slightly inside. I made sure it wasn't like audible. Where am I going with this? Where was I going with that? Voice acting. Yes, that's the one. Yeah. I like voice acting, I do. I really do. But I can't say that I'm particularly proficient at it. You understand? But the thing is, I don't have anything to voice act over. So, what I'm thinking, right, is, would anyone be interested in an abridgation thing? It wouldn't be very good, because I would have to edit it all together, which I'm not very good at, and my editing software sucks, like my computer. And, yeah, generally, it'd probably suck. But, it would get my voice acting going. Because I'd have to do character voices. I don't know. Just an idea. Ooh, my lovelies. Manus. Bad Manus. Bad Manus. Maybe what I need is more poise. What do you think? Because I... yeah, that didn't look good for me. To the internet! I have no idea where I was going with that. Ooh. Okay. Summoning Sif the Great Grey Wolf. You need to find Sif behind an illusionary wall and save her first to be able to summon her. Her soul sign is in the center of the room you fight Manus in. In the center of the room? Oh, on the lighter grey stone floor within the Pillar of Circles. Okay. That's interesting. Weaknesses to lightning? Then why did my lightning spears do such shit damage? Do I have... because if I get that, and Sunlight Blade going on... because Sunlight Blade does lightning, I believe. So if I do that, and then on this one, do I have a healing thing I can use? No. Okay, go back to Emit Force then. Bum bum. Bum bum. Bum bum. Bum bum. Bum bum. Actually, I should probably just check, make sure it is lightning. Yeah, that's lightning. Now I just got used to this move set. Bum 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 bum. Why am I going that way? Because as he's, like, weak to lightning, got my Sunlight Blade going on. That should hopefully fuck a bitch up, you know what I'm saying? I might go back as a human next time as well. You know, see if I can find and summon Sif. But because I've murdered Sif in the future, I'm not sure whether he'll still be able to come. I don't think he will. Which is most upsetting if I do say so myself. Which I do. Whoa, bitch. Oh yeah, forgot about that. Fucking hoe. That's why I usually go around the other way, but I forgot to. My bad. I was too busy thinking about wolves, glorious wolves. I've got many of them. Well, maybe not actual wolves, but at least pictures of them. Sorry about the singing. It's not particularly good. I'm aware of that. But whatever. Whatevs, brah, you know. Whatever, brah. Hmm. 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 Okay. So. Whoa, bro. Bro. Relax, bro. What are you doing, bro? Oh, this is some slow swordsman stance. Oh, jeez. Slow as all hell. Oh god, they're gonna come after me, aren't they? Oh no. Oh dear. Wee! Oh god, I'm so dead! Am I perhaps off my game today? Does anyone think? Maybe. Maybe a little bit. Or not! Who knows? Nobody knows. Who cares? I don't know. So, last run. I'm gonna make it this time. I'm gonna smack a bitch up. And you know what? Manus is gonna love it. He's gonna love it so much he's gonna die. And if he doesn't, well, then we're gonna have to try again in Sniffle Sauce 49. That's what we're gonna have to do. And I don't want to have to do that, but we will. Just how it is, isn't it? Nothing else we can do about it, really. How is there? No, there isn't. Hi, bitch. Die, bitch. So slow. Ugh. The water. Damn it, I'm out of milkshake. What can I do? Oh dear. Don't you be trying to grab me, bitch. You're dead, fool. Damn. Run in and jump in and oh god no. That was close. Run in and jump in and yeah. That wasn't actually the jump I was trying to do. Yeah. I wonder if there's any items around here. Whoa. No way. Nice. Haha. I only thought of that because I was like, oh, there's that little section there. I'll have a look around. And then there was. And I was like, yay. Haha. Ah, that's where the other item is, which this leads round to, I believe. Dun, 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 dun. Hi, guys. You know, I'm thinking, like, maybe it would be better for me to only switch to the Murakamo when we get here and have slain these foul demons and beasts. Let's try this here, Great Sword of Artorias, shall we? See if it can fuck some bitches up. Almost one-shots them, like this. I would love to use this here Great Sword of Artorias against Manus, but I don't think I can buff it. No, I can't. So, guess we're going back to this. Have a chug. Have a buff. Making it all shiny. Oh, so shiny. Come through here with cutscene, which happens every time. And roll. I missed. This doesn't... This isn't working. Oh dear. Do I have any homeward bones I can use? Oh, I don't need to. That's fine. Well, guys, you know what this means. We're gonna have to try again next time. Because, 1, my foot's going numb. 2, I'm still scared of that spider popping up. And, 3, got other shit to do, didn't I? Like eat, because I'm well hungry, bruv. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Demon Titan, though. Love it. Hate it. No, I don't. Do I have any other weapons? Got the Divine Sunlight Straight Sword. But no, I'll stick with my Black Knight Sword plus 5. Go back to my Pyromancy Flame. Gonna attune my magic. So I have Paladin and I guess a Stick Poison Mist, why not? Then I'm gonna pop some Humanity. Why did I pop 2? Because I'm a lazy fucker. Didn't mean to do that. Then reverse my hollowing. And hopefully we won't die on the way, eh? Eh. Let's get this right. Running to the boss fight again. If I could edit, well, I would edit this out, but I can't, so I'm gonna sing a song, 'cause singing comments, yeah. Oh yeah, there's a game called, something like Life of a no, I think it's YouTuber Simulator. That's a game. It seems, you know, alright from what I've seen of it. But it doesn't seem particularly accurate. I find that success is a bit easier on there than it is IRL. You know? Speaking of YouTubing, like, I'm thinking about branching out when I have time. I'm not sure what into, but I might, like, split to, well, away from just what I've been doing with the gaming and the vlogs and stuff, and maybe do some specialized vlogs. And I'm really sorry, but my pins and needles is being a pain, so I'm like moving around on my bed to try and stop said pain, and it's making my bed creak. So I'm sorry for all the creakage. The pain. Because a friend of mine, I believe jokingly, but maybe not, I don't know, was speaking about potentially doing a makeup YouTube channel. There are plenty of those about. Just like there's plenty of pretty much everything on YouTube. Anyway. Oh god. Well, I technically made it. But I guess I'll make it back whilst I'm still talking on this thread of conversation. Yeah, so they were talking about that. I was thinking, I could do that. I'll admit, I don't want to be buying makeup. I don't know jack shit about makeup. Other than that I've technically done my makeup before. But, if we choose to ignore that, I don't know anything about makeup. Do I have any humanity in my bottomless box? Yes. Thank you. Use one of these. Switch back to this. Reverse my hollow one again. But I could do specialized how-to vlogs, because there are a bunch of random things that I know how to do that I don't think there'll be that many how-tos for on the YouTubes. For example, I know how to make art out of wire. I know that wire art is a whole branch of art, but I don't think that is exactly a big thing on YouTube. So we could do that. Could how to make blanket fortresses. Because no offense, but I'm probably better than you at that. Blanket fortresses are my thing. Though I am a bit out of practice, I will admit. So, if you've been doing it recently, then you may have a slight advantage on me. But I know how to make them so they're like well ventilated with doors containing electronic things, so you can watch films in there. You can incorporate low tables so that you can play board games and stuff. Fuck man, I love blanket forts. They're great. Then what else? I can make milkshakes, but that's not exactly difficult. I could do cooking videos. They'd be shockingly bad to start with. Not the food. The food's gonna be great, obviously, but just the content, because I wouldn't know how to lay it out and edit shit together and whatnot. It would just be abysmal. But everything always starts off awful. Just how the world works, isn't it? Badoom. Gump. Gump. His name is Gump. As we're already here, and I'm feeling less pins and needlesy, let's go for another shot. See if we can summon Sif. Oh, I can tell people how to make those fortune tellery things. Where's the summon sign? It should be on one of the things, right? Oh, there it is. I found it. The white summon sign of Sif. I just gotta wait. Run! It's over here. Ah, Sif. You is my friend. Whoa! You broke a stone. Go on, Sif. You got this. Fuck him up. Ah, shit. I was hoping it'd be like adult Sif. That'd be so much cooler, but well. I'm dead! Oh my god! Go Sif! You can do this! Fuck him up. I mean, you're not actually doing any damage, and I feel bad making you fight against the guy who corrupted your master. Whew! Haha! Yeah! Might play some Hearthstone after this because I can do that on my phone outside of my room where I don't have to worry about the spider. But yeah. Pop! Alright, I think this time I'm going to power overwhelming before I get into the boss fight. But yeah. What else can I do? I'm not particularly fashionable, otherwise I would do fashion things, because I do know generally fashion, I just don't choose to follow it. Like, I don't know the latest trends, but I know general, if you hang around with this group of people, they will probably like it if you wear this. I would say I could theoretically be like, ladies, if you want a dude, do these things. There's like, because that's basically what BuzzFeed does. It's like, ladies, guys suck because of this. Guys, girls suck because of this. If you want to fuck each other, here's how you do it. BuzzFeed. They just slate each gender and use sex. That is BuzzFeed full stop. No offense to them. I mean, there's probably a little bit more to them than that, but that's mostly it. Saying that, however, I am subscribed to a BuzzFeed thing. I don't know which one. It's just they sometimes come up with funny shit. So I'm like, oh, this is funny shit. I mean, it's shit, but it's funny. So, yeah. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, I can do a ladies. If you want to fuck a dude, here's how you do it. If you want to be in a relation, if you want to get a guy interested in you for a relationship, this is how you do that. Because being a guy and knowing a lot of other guys, I feel as though I'm in a position where I can pretty safely say what most types of guys are like. Like, it'd be a separate video on each sort of thing. Be like, emo guys like this. Generally. Obviously I can't say for everyone, but, you know. Ow. Magnus, you suck. Manus even, you suck. Random wall that Manus breaks down sucks as well. Heal. Ow. You know, I don't think Manus appreciates rolling. Like, I don't think he appreciates the power of it. Sif's more of a distraction than anything else for this, isn't he? 'Cause he doesn't actually do any damage. I think he's just to try and draw the fire. Ah, Jesus, man. Fuck right off, you douchebag. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. Sif basically just gives you a chance to heal in between Manus fucking you up and Manus fucking you up some more. Uh-oh. Oh, I figured out how to get away from it. Just run. Oh, that's probably another Twitter thing, unless it's emails. Damn, man, Sif has loads of health. That's good. Jesus. What the fuck is that? Whoa. Did that hit me? I thought I was dead, to be honest with you. Maybe it does all of your health other than one little dreg. I don't know. It was an email! Anyway, that'll do, because my pins and needles are coming back. And I really have to go. I don't know how long this has been either. So, my name has been James. Your name has been whatever the hell you're called. This guy's called Refriend. The wolf that was fighting with us is called the Great Grey Wolf Sif. The spider in my room is called Scary. I don't know if it has a name in spider language, but it's called Scary. That's its name. My computer's on the squiff. That probably's not doing it much good. Yeah. I'm going the wrong way again. I guess I will catch you cats on the flip-flop. Goodbye.